Hi, welcome back to Create Your Mezat in 25 rice recipe series. Today we are going to make the most easiest ghee rice. Let's get started. In this I have taken 2 cups of rice, 2 large onions, 5 to 6 green chilies, whole garam masala, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon fennel seeds, 15 garlic pods, 1 inch ginger, handful of cashews, 3 to 5 tablespoons of raisins, salt as required, ghee 6 tablespoons, water 3 in the same measuring cup. Basmati rice is washed 3 times. Add 3 cups of water. Let it soak for 10 minutes till we prepare the tempering. Grind the ginger garlic into a paste. In a pressure cooker, add 5 to 6 tablespoons of ghee and add the ingredients one by one as shown here. It's that easy. Set aside few cashew nuts, fried onions and raisins for decorating. Number of whistles may vary according to cooker. You might know how fast it cooks in your cooker. So based on that, count the number of whistles. But usually for me, 1 whistle will be enough. Your amazing aromatic ghee rice is ready. This is very simple. Pair it with chicken fry or chicken curry. My son really loves the paneer fry. I have shown you in this channel the recipe how I make the paneer fry. You can check that out. Link will be in the description. So meet you soon in the next video. Until then, bye.